Hey, you ever hear the story about the cobbler's daughter never had shoes? Sometimes I think that's us in the promotional products industry. Look at, we're branding all day. We're branding logos and mugs and pens and creative products and things that you just can only dream about. You can create, make, and logo. I love it. But your LinkedIn is blah, and it doesn't show your creativity. And sometimes that's all that someone has. Maybe your name was given. Hey, you should call Sam. He's fantastic with promotional products. Sam. And then they go on and they look, and the LinkedIn is bomb, not good. Who do you do? What do you do? Who do you call? Call me. I'm the LinkedIn expert out of Orlando area, and I'm really, really good. I'll sit with you. We'll get your LinkedIn optimized. And then I'm going to show you all the whys, why you need to have certain things. And then I am going to help you to have a LinkedIn that you'll be proud of, how to search for clients that you want, how to send them messages, and not these crazy messages that like people send that have no relationship. It's weird. But I'm going to show you how to do it, how to connect. And by the way, if you're a supplier, I got your back. Doing this for distributors is kind of easy and it's fun. Distributors, you tell me who you want distilleries, you want cannabis companies, who do you want to market to? I'll get you there. I'm that good. And you know what? I'm not that boring either. So let's have a little fun while working, because if you can't have fun, then I don't know. I don't understand it. So let's do this. Let's do this together. Click and say, yes, Adrian, I want to meet with you so you can learn what I offer. The Barker Brand Amplifier and the LinkedIn Connection, two programs that work perfectly together.